So here's what's inside my EDC Magic Pouch.
Hello everyone, EDC Magic has been a hot topic lately. In this video, I'll be taking on a fun creative challenge and trying to come up with some effects that I can carry along with me for those unexpected situations where I am asked to perform. I'll share my thoughts on EDC Magic in the second half of this video. Let's start by taking a look at the pouch that I'm using.
There are a variety of EDC pouches and organizers available, for example, from Maxpedition, Alpaca, etc. And they are at various budgets. But I went with the cheap generic pouch I found on Lazada, which is a Southeast Asian online marketplace, but I'm sure these are also available from AliExpress or Amazon. The pouch measures 10 cm by 13 cm. It's just slightly larger than a bifold wallet, albeit much thicker. There are loops on the side where I have attached a keyring and a paracord lanyard. On the outside, I have a Sharpie marker. This can also be a mini Sharpie. If you have Remarkable from Richard Sanders, this could also be an additional effect. So here's what's inside my EDC Magic Pouch. Upon opening the zipper, the first thing I have is a 1 meter length of paracord for a ring and string routine. The ring can be worn on your finger or just kept here with the cord. To unravel the cord, just loosen the loop here and deploy the cord. Next is the ever popular deck of cards. With a standard deck of playing cards, you have a vast array of card tricks at your disposal. A marked deck arranged in a stack also opens an even wider range of effects that can be performed. If you can entertain with just a deck of cards, that's great, and that's all you may need. The rest of the space can be used to store business cards or cash or credit cards. I also carry a paddle. This is the Amazing Jumping Arrow by Mark Young, where an arrow jumps around the rod. I also carry some gum to keep my breath fresh. Next, I have a packet wallet with Impossible and also Extreme Burn by Richard Sanders. Next, I also have a chain for the fast and loose effect. This is a fun gambling or scam type effect which you can perform. If you are not familiar with fast and loose, Paul V. Hill has some work on this, as well as a DVD from the School of Scoundrels. Rubber band effects are a favorite due to their flexibility and ease of carry. You can use a rubber band holder, wrap it around a gift card, or simply stuff them into the pack like this. The objects on hand can also be used for a freewheel type effect, where you have the cards, the spectator has the ring, and the pen is in their pocket. I have more than enough in here for a casual performance, so let's get everything back into the pouch. This can then be kept in your backpack, a sling bag or work bag, or even larger cargo pants pockets.
So what's EDC or everyday carry? EDC generally refers to a set of essential items or tools that a person carries with them on a daily basis for convenience, preparedness, or personal security. These allow individuals to be prepared for situations that may arise in their day-to-day activities. In a magic sense, EDC Magic is designed for you to be prepared for those magic situations that may arise. My thinking for an EDC Magic carry is for those times where you are not on a gig but asked to perform some magic. You would not want to be caught not having anything on you to perform some magic. The focus here is not to carry a full 45-minute show, although you totally can. Instead, we are aiming for effects that pack small, play big, and doesn't look out of place in a casual setting. You can also consider learning effects with borrowed objects, like from Greg Wilson's On the Spot DVD, which include effects using napkins, pens, and so on. While you might also want a magic wallet and magic apps on your phone, I won't be covering those in this video. There are plenty of fantastic options available if you are interested. EDC is a personal choice, and one must tailor your kits to fit your specific needs. The goal is to have practical effects and items readily available for your everyday needs, providing a sense of convenience and preparedness. You can watch this video here next for other effects that are EDC friendly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.